Can I get a refund from Acorn? Hey there, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a question that I get asked a lot. Can I get a refund from Acorn? Now, I know that Acorn is a great service, and I'm a big fan of it. But I also know that things don't always work out as planned. Maybe you're not happy with the service, or maybe you're just not using it as much as you thought you would. Whatever the reason, you may be wondering if you can get a refund. The good news is that the answer is yes, you can get a refund from Acorn. However, there are a few things you need to know before you do. Here are the things you need to know about getting a refund from Acorn. You must cancel your subscription within 30 days of signing up. You will not be refunded for any unused months. You will be refunded for any unused days in your current month. You will not be refunded for any fees or charges associated with your subscription. How to get a refund from Acorn? Go to the Acorn website and sign into your account. Click on the Settings tab. Click on the Subscription tab. Click on the Cancel Subscription button. You will be asked to confirm your cancellation. Click on the Yes button. You will receive a confirmation email from Acorn. Once you have canceled your subscription, you will be refunded for any unused days in your current month. It may take up to 30 days for the refund to process. Here are a few additional things to keep in mind. If you have any questions about getting a refund from Acorn, you can contact their customer support team. Acorn may be able to offer you a prorated refund if you have been using their service for more than 30 days. If you are unhappy with Acorn, you can try switching to another streaming service. There are a number of great options available, such as Netflix, Hulu, and Amazon Prime Video. In conclusion, if you are not happy with Acorn, you can get a refund. However, there are a few things you need to know before you do. I hope this information has been helpful. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. I hope you found this script helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Here are some additional tips for writing a YouTube video script. Keep your script concise and to the point. Use strong language and visuals to engage your audience. Use a conversational tone to make your script more relatable. Edit your script carefully to ensure that it is free of errors. I hope this helps.